Antoine had $20. He wanted to buy 3 pizzas.
When I think of an exemplar teacher
$20 bills.
and coach, Katelyn Clark comes to mind.
And do you love math?
Yeah, I do love math. I do.
I'm just here to see how we're doing and I'm gonna support you. So if you need help, you raise your hand and I'm here to help, okay?
She is dedicated, she is knowledgeable, and most importantly, she cares about our students.
She's a really fun teacher, sweet, kind, and helpful.
I always want to start off hands-on, manipulatives. Can I connect it to a strategy that they learned in 3rd grade or 4th grade? I'm always trying to think of things to connect it to.
Okay, can you tell me why you did that first?
So in 5th grade right now, we're learning about multiplication of decimals.
An area that she excels in is designing the learning to meet the needs of individual students. She looks at the data of each student and will make sure that she's differentiating the instruction to meet the needs of those students.
Yeah, it looks good, yes. 100% of my kids might not get it in that moment, and that's okay. Like, we're gonna keep practicing, and I tell them that. It is okay to struggle a little bit in math, and we're just gonna keep trying the next day. So I go in trying to do my thing that day, but I know that there's probably gonna be more work ahead down the line.
I'm happy that she helps. When she helps me understand it, I feel a lot smarter.
You got it. You did beautiful work right there. I like that.
Katelyn Clark is a caring, dedicated professional educator who works for all the students in the building are her students. And she's just incredible, living up to the Katelyn Clark, an incredible team player. And she helps all of our Eagles soar.